Are you comfy? That's a better spot for you than in the middle of the counter. Everybody's doing good. It's not too bad weather-wise out here. I see my one kitty's down. I'll have to go fix him. Without Don going out to do the paper and his other morning things. You know he's not seeing that to do it because he's not out here. Stripe's still in the house. I'm sure he'll come to the door in a minute and let me know he's ready to come out. And I don't know though, he looks awful comfy up there on the Lego bins. Hey Panther, hey bud. Hi. Hello, good morning. Based on the food in the bowl, I'm pretty sure Spot was up and ate yesterday, but I actually didn't see him yesterday. I probably should review the camera footage. I'm just trying to make sure I keep up with him. He seems to continue to come at night, which is good because he seems to be avoiding the backyard crew. And Panther's usually in his chair asleep. Well, good morning. Hi there. Yeah, I know that's kind of where you wait for me. Good girl. Good girl. Hi. Good girl. Now I'm in here with Gray doing yesterday's video now. It's only 10. Feel pretty much okay this morning. Maybe just moving a little bit slow after giving blood yesterday. Although I feel like I move a little slow every morning lately. Anyway, I wanted to give her some attention, get the video done, and I got a couple other little things to check into. When you're doing good things, you get special coffee. I'm making him a chaffle sandwich. I'm buttering him up so we get the best chart experience possible.
Right. Thank you, sweetheart.
Well, Don doesn't really mind sitting down and doing the charts. It's just...
Right.
It is.
Yeah.
And we're going to evaluate walking. It's 1 o'clock. We got time, but
We're going to go walk. We're not going to sit here. I'm going to go walk.
Okay. After I get my charts, or a good start on my charts.
Well, a good crack on
A good crack. We've got a full stomach now. You know, egg bacon, the chaffle bun is kind of like a low carb egg McMuffin. I'm gonna work on the sleigh part of Santa's reindeer. This was the platform. I realized last night I didn't show a video after I attached Rudolph. I'm still only just missing that one piece, and I could really put just a flat tile there if I want to cover up the gray. It would be nice if all of these pieces were white. I've actually got 2 gray here, but I don't feel modified to change it to yellow. I have more yellow or gray. Either one is not white. So, but with the deer on top, you really don't see that. Anyway, I got to build Santa's sleigh part. I kind of started with the gearing last night, but then didn't finish. It's time to walk. This is how far I got on the sled platform. It's almost done. I got some top pieces and finished the gearing and the motor. Up to South Park to walk, and
nice Model Y.
Yeah.
It's that new red.
Wow. That's it. Hustle on up. I told him I didn't need my jacket or my hat, and then that I was hot and sweaty, which was true. And then the first real breeze came by, and I'm like, I need my jacket. You finding stuff for Michelle?
I guess I am. I don't know exactly what it
It's
is.
a pinata.
Okay.
And it still has
no candy in it.
It's still got the tag. It's just the head. It's just a smidge, but
well, but I think we could pop
yeah,
it
it says to fill, press here, and it's never been filled. Yeah, a little suction with the vacuum cleaner or something. Yeah. Maybe pop his little head back up.
All right.
We got a gift for you, Michelle. You take it to the car. I'll finish the pogo route. I got him out of his scissor kicks over here. He is catching back up with me. I'm out of breath. I raced down the sidewalk sideways as fast as I could go. For me, it's like a hit. Don just does it easy peasy.
Right. Woohoo!
He did get Ruby's charts basically done. And hopefully replicating Jules's charts tomorrow won't be too big of a deal.
Well, there it is. I thought take a defrost cycle this morning, and I decided I'd come under here and check, and sure enough, there's the big one. So she's taken one defrost cycle since I've installed this thing.
Don's gonna load up the garbage for the landfill. We're gonna make a landfill run. It's only 4:30, but God, it seems like it's 7 p.m. or something. And I'm gonna just work on this while he does that. You know, it can take 20 minutes to load stuff up. He's just going out to load up the trash. It looks like you're going out to shovel snow.
I'm going out hunting.
Don ain't hunted.
Got my camo hat on.
I don't know. Did you ever hunt when you was a kid?
Only
A teenager
once or twice,
with
no.
on Uncle Bubba's farm? out in...
Only once or twice. Hunting never was my thing.
Okay. I never went. I'm sure it wouldn't have been my thing either.
Yeah, wasn't my thing.
When I get back, I will finish figuring out the reins, and I'll go get the motor to hook up, and we should be able to see it go. Having trouble with the reins. I don't understand the instructions. I got to think on it some more. I'm not going to freak out that there's a cat over there. It looks healthy and well fed. I've seen people show up lately at anything to feed the kitties. The feral cats, they like it dark. Anyway, I was just going to say we're not the only ones here that had this idea tonight. They probably close at 1 tomorrow. Probably. Because it's New Year's Eve. It's just not good for me to come to the landfill because I watch what people throw away instead of taking to the thrift store or giving away to someone in need, and I just get sick to my stomach. It's not good. It's little sirloin steaks, probably too lean for our liking, and garlic shrimp, a little bit tinier shrimp than I've been using lately. These were already peeled and deveined though.